Yeah.
All right, big shout out going out to Eric, big time Porsche collector. That thing right running at LS1. And yeah, so he has these SSR GT3 wheels. Go ahead and see if we can get these restored somehow.
Still pretty much okay.
So I'm here at Alex Spot Worldwide. Work on everything here. You say you do calipers too, right?
Yeah.
What don't you do? Right now we're debating between gunmetal
Or glossy black.
or glossy black. So that's
Glossy, that glossy, man.
that's these guys are telling me they're black. There you go. Literally dropped these off last night and these guys got it done overnight. So
Baby, it's busy today.
there you go, man. Big shout out to Junior. Got it done. Literally dropped these off yesterday. Calls me like, yo, dude, come down. They ready. Anyway, the night doesn't do it justice, so stay tuned to tomorrow. Take some more pictures. Again, come check this guy out, man. There you have it. Awesome job on the wheels. Can't ask for more.
Oye, ven, mira,